Class, let's get started on week 7. Week 7, we will walk through creating your Google Ads campaign, and we will also talk through keyword basics. I said we would revisit keywords, and we will in the context of both Google Ads and search engine optimization. So let's start with this first assignment, which is create your ads campaign. And to do this, you will walk through the setup of your ads campaign. It's important to remember not to activate your campaign yet. What we're going to do is we're going to set it up in this assignment. So watch this video, very helpful, how to get started with Google Ads. And then you will create the campaign, but do not activate it. This is important. There will come a certain moment in the semester where we activate these campaigns and get moving on them. So you can insert your billing information if you'd like. If you do, make sure the campaign is paused. And then there's some additional help down here. There's a $75 Google AdWords credit that works for most students, depending on where you live. And then really for this assignment, after you have set up your ads campaign, you're going to go through a Word document and answer these questions. And that'll be it. That'll be the total of your assignment. But the idea is that you are going to prep for your Google Ads campaign. So you'll have that ready to go. Then you'll have your discussion board on your Google Ads campaign. Let's jump into keyword basics. Keywords are something that is going to be an essential skill for any online business, because it creates the structure for how you are found online. You'll use keywords in your advertisements. You'll put them on your site so that search engines can more easily discover you. And then you can be found by potential customers. When you're thinking about keywords, you need to think about this from the perspective of your customer, not from the perspective of a business. If a business uses technical keywords that a customer is not going to think of or search for, then you're not doing yourself any favors with your keywords. Think of it almost in the context of what need does your product fill. And if you start from there, you'll usually be able to build out some helpful keywords. There's some great videos. I invite you to take a look at those that help you understand what you need as far as keywords go. Then, if you look at this example, it will walk you through a spreadsheet that you'll fill out. The columns will be keywords, grouptheme, match type, scrub, and comments, and you'll just go through a number of your keywords. You want to include as many keywords as possible, but you'll need at least 20. So don't limit yourself to 20, but you'll need at least 20 for this assignment. So you'll need a lot of keywords for your business. And then you'll fill out your spreadsheet according to these instructions. After that spreadsheet, you'll create a Word document and answer 2 questions. What do you think are characteristics of a good keyword, and what do you think are characteristics of a bad keyword? So this will get you started on your keyword basics. Again, this is something you will want to refine a number of times to be successful in your business. But we'll also work on it a couple times in the course. So you'll have a discussion board and a reflection as well. And then there's a midweek quiz, course disclaimers and warnings, that's really going to walk you through how to approach Google Ads to make sure that it's working for you as a student, because we are working with a product that has the potential to use some funds, and we're trying to be respectful of student finances. It's important to go through that quiz with some course disclaimers and warnings as we launch the Google Ads campaign, walk you through a couple things to make sure that you are set financially with Google AdWords. That will be it for this week. If you're having trouble with your Google Ads campaign or coming up with keywords, please reach out and discuss with me.